Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is tools and equipments. You're going to know about so many tools and equipment. So the first one is nails, screwdriver, handsaw, nut bolt, back saw, wrench, mallet, hammer, coping saw, hacksaw, adjustable wrench, pipe wrench, scissors, chainsaw, sprit level, step ladder, diagonal pliers, slip joint pliers, caulking gun, electric drill, cork screw, tape measure, plunger, brass, bradawl. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.